learners, today we are going to start with chapter 10, that is means of transport. So in this chapter I will tell you about transport. As you know that when you have to move from one place to another, what we need transport, right? So here I will tell you about the different means of transport. We have land transport, water transport and air transport. So we have different means of transport. We have land transport, water transport and air transport. I will tell you about all these means of transport over here. So here the warm up is given. Read the following sentences. Put L for land, W for water and A for air, right? So our world is very big. We need to move from one place to another. Early human usually traveled on foot. पहले जो थे early humans वो foot पे travel करते थे, right? And they do not have different means of transport. After the invention of wheels, जब क्या हुआ wheel का invention हुआ, then we started using or making different means of transport, right? And movement of goods or people from one place to another is called transportation. So let's study about the different means of transport. फर्स्ट इज लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. जो लैंड पे मूव करता है वो कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है? लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है. लाइक व्हील हेल्प्स अस टू ट्रैवल क्विकली ऑन लैंड. Buses, motor, car, tractors, truck, scooter, they all are means of land transport. If you have to travel far, what you use? You use bus, train and metro. All these vehicles move on the ground. Trains travel on rails made up of iron. जो ट्रेन्स होती है वो किस पे रन करती है? कोल पे, डीजल पे, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ट्रेन क्या कैरी करती है? थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल एट द सेम टाइम. In big cities, we have suburban local trains for traveling within the cities, right? Then we have air transport. Transports that move in the air is called air transport. Air travel is fastest way to go anywhere. To fly over a long distance, what we use? Aeroplanes, right? Helicopters, and can also fly over short distances. अगर आपको short distances भी travel करना है तो आप कर सकते हैं, right? They use commonly used by armies. जो आपका एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट है मोस्टली जो आर्मी मैन्स होते हैं वो इनका यूज करते हैं. देन वी हैव वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट, द ट्रांसपोर्ट दैट मूव्स ऑन वाटर लाइक शिप, बोट, rowing boat, sailing boat. They also helps to carry people as well as good from one place to another. ठीक है, शिप से वन टू अराइव. भाई बहुत लंबा टाइम लग जाता है. सस्ते तो है पर लेकिन इट्स टेक लॉन्ग टाइम टू कवर द डिस्टेंस. Animals as a means of transport. We have some animals that helps us to travel from one place to another. In hilly areas, we have horses, mules, pony, जिनका हम use करते हैं as a means of transport. Then we have desert areas में आपको horses और camels देखने को मिलेंगे, उनका हम use करते हैं as a means of transport. Forest में आपको animals देखने को मिलेंगे, right? So these all are the different things that we see. Now, fuel used in the means of transport. We use fuel like petrol, diesel, coal, right? So, electricity and CNG. These are the different types of fuels that we used in a vehicle. जैसे car हो गया, motorboats हो गया, aeroplane हो गया. The smoke spread in the air and what it causes? Air pollution. और ये एयर को कैसा बनाता है? अनहेल्थी टू ब्रीथ. वी शुड नॉट वेस्ट फ्यूल. वी शुड ट्राई टू यूज व्हीकल. आपको व्हीकल जैसे साइकिल है which do not have made fuel, वो आपको यूज करनी चाहिए. देन वी हैव रोड सेफ्टी. इन सिटीज एंड टाउन्स रोड्स आर बिजी. आपने देखा होगा सिटीज और टाउन में जो रोड्स होती हैं वो कैसी होती है? बिजी होती है विद ट्रैफिक. मेनी व्हीकल रन ऑन द रोड. एट रोड क्रॉसिंग द ट्रैफिक पुलिसमैन what it's do? It controls the movement of traffic and there are traffic signals at many road crossing. On either side of road, footpaths are made for the pedestrian to walk on and we have to be very careful. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा careful रहना है. The rules are good for us, they keeps us safe. और ये हमें कैसा रखते हैं? Safe रखते हैं. Now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying.